In this video, I'm going to show you how to crop or resize photos and images inside of the Photos app on an iPhone. This process will also work the same if you're using an iPad too. We'll look at how to zoom in on a picture, how to crop it to a certain size, and if you need to make perspective or straighten adjustments, we'll take a look at that too. Let's start by looking at this picture taken in downtown Chicago. It's pretty wide, and I want to focus more on the Willis Tower back there. Start by tapping Edit on the top. Now in the bottom, tap the Crop and Adjust icon here. Right off the bat, you'll get a slider that you can adjust the straightness of the image. If you need to make an adjustment there, just slide it either way until you're happy. You also have a couple different perspective adjustments that you can make with the other two options. Now that we're done, let's go ahead and zoom in. To do that, with 2 fingers, just pinch open until you get to the framing that you're looking for. Once you're zoomed in, you can then pinch to zoom back out, or with 1 finger, you can move the photo around. Once you get the photo to where you want, you can then tap Done. But we also want to crop the image. To crop, just press, hold, and then drag the handles that you see along the border of the image. When you get it to where you want, you can then let go. Doing it this way, you can crop it to any size that you want. But if we want to crop to a certain aspect ratio, like square for instance, tap the aspect icon here at the top, and then on the bottom here, you can scroll through the different built-in sizes. When you're finished making your adjustments, just tap Done down at the bottom, and it'll then save the image to the edits that you've made. And that's how you crop or resize images and photos using your iPhone or iPad.